In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate in Figma. If you've ever found yourself manually recreating elements in your design projects, this tutorial will streamline your workflow and help you work smarter, not harder. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Figma. You'll want to navigate to Figma's official website to access your account. If you already have the web address bookmarked, feel free to go directly there. Now, once you're on the Figma homepage, make sure to log into your account. Enter your username or email and password, or if you prefer, you can log in with one of the supported single sign-on services like Google or Facebook. It should just take a moment, and you'll be ready to dive into your projects. Now that you're logged in, go ahead and open the Figma file that you're working on. Look through your various projects, or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the file you need. Once your file is open, go to the specific page or artboard where the object you'd like to duplicate is located. With your file open, find the object you want to duplicate. To make it easier, try zooming into the area of your design to ensure you have the right object selected. It's important to click once on the object to make sure it's highlighted. If multiple objects are grouped, you might need to double-click to select just the one you want. Now you want to right-click on that selected object. Depending on your computer setup, this could be a right-click using your mouse, or a two-finger click on a touchpad. If you're working on a tablet, tapping and holding might be the way to go. Once you've right-clicked, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you a list of options. This menu is a powerful tool that offers various actions, but for today, we're focusing on duplicating. Look through the list and select the option that says Duplicate. Sometimes it's near the top of the list, but it can vary based on context and recent updates to the Figma interface. By clicking Duplicate, Figma will create an exact replica of your selected object, and this new object should appear directly beside the original, ready for you to drag and drop into place or edit further if needed. That's it. By following these steps, you've efficiently duplicated an object in Figma, saving yourself time and effort. Whether you're designing individual components or complex layouts, knowing how to quickly duplicate elements can significantly boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your design workflows.